chasing after broken dreams. You know I'll make those dreams someday, but till then I'll have to say, while I'm gone, remember me. Don't give a thought to where I'll be. Don't you worry, I'll be true. Then I'll come running back to you. City lights just make me cry, longing for that countryside, longing for that tender touch of the one I love so much. City lights just make me cry. City lights just make me cry. City lights just make me cry. City lights just make me cry.
My dad came from a family big as Texas, and his mom and dad had 9 kids after all. Yeah, and all my aunts and uncles were good people, but my Uncle Frank was always 10 feet tall. Yes, Uncle Frank spoke to me softly even when I wasn't good, and through my troubled years my Uncle Frank, he understood. He said, you can lean on me, son, I won't ever let you fall. He could always make things right, cause Uncle Frank was 10 feet tall. With Aunt Betty frying chicken in the cabin, me and Uncle Frank were out back in the snow. As he worked on that old Willys Jeep, I noticed, yeah, my Uncle Frank was really 10 feet tall. Yes, Uncle Frank spoke to me softly even when I wasn't good. Through my troubled years, my Uncle Frank, he understood. He said, you can lean on me, son, I won't ever let you fall. He could always make things right, cause Uncle Frank was 10 feet tall. Softly even when I wasn't good. Through my troubled years, my Uncle Frank, he understood. He said, you can lean on me, son, I won't ever let you fall. He could always make things right, cause Uncle Frank was 10 feet tall. He could always make things right, cause Uncle Frank was 10 feet tall. He could always make things right, cause Uncle Frank was 10 feet tall.
When the morning comes, I'll go back home and sneak on in,
and I'll wait for the night to call when I'll be in your arms again. I have tried so tried to keep my life all together. Oh, and it's so hard to do, 'cause I'm loving you. When the morning comes, I'll go back home and sneak on in. Well, I'll wait for the night to come, when I'll be in your arms again. And I think of all the lies I've had to tell her, and all the times I've cheated on her with you. And then I hold my head in my hands and start to cry. Lord, but here I am again tonight with you. When the morning comes, I'll go back home and sneak on in, and I'll wait for the night to come, when I'll be in your arms again. When the morning comes, I'll go back home and sneak on in, and I'll wait for the night to come, when I'll be in your arms again. I'll wait for